Hey, here is another why of breaking no more. Why sticking to your values? And that's an interesting one because it's really related to your motivation. It's like connecting your goals to your values. How my goals are the expression of my values. So, for instance, if you have a goal, if you want to do something, a task, if it's disconnected from your values, then it can become a burden. It's like, fuck, I need to do this. Whereas if the task is linked to your value, for instance, saving humanity or self preservation of humanity, then you're like, okay, that's a necessary thing. And I know that it's going to just help me to get more, right? I know that out of this little thing that I have to do, this little goal, I am well on the path to my final objective or to express my to express my value. It becomes like the expression of the value itself. Like the goal becomes the expression of the value itself and the expression of yourself as well, the embodiment of what you want. And it's totally different than just executing the goal. It's like the goal in the end of the day, it's like it just you can just forget about it, right? Because like in the end, like you stay into what you want, who you are, and what you need. And so you just feel good. Just like an expression of feeling good when you're connected to the goal. And then it's like, oh yeah, you've done it. And and instead of being a burden that like really is taking like lots of mind space, it just something like it just purpose, right? It's just self-expression, just self-validation in the end of the day. And so it feels it's a totally different way of approaching the thing. And so this is how you can do this at work, your task, you try to see how it aligns, you see how it aligns with your values, and then instead of becoming just a task, it becomes a mission, and you're gonna feel that you're gonna go stronger about it and with a much more inspired mind. Because like it's not the task, it's the value itself, and the value itself can be expressed in many different manners. And yeah, it motivates you, like it gives you passion as well at home in life. It gives you passion in general. It's like it's much more than just a goal. It's like the expression of yourself and of higher objectives. And I don't know, it's different. Have fun.